Hello, I'm Daniel. I'm a piano instructor at Musicians Playground, and my tip for you is something I like to call blocking. So say you're having trouble with a passage in a piece, or I'm just going to use a 2-octave C major scale. So you can take each section, each position that your hand is in, and rather than playing the notes one at a time, like this, play them all at the same time, and do that for all of the positions. So for this scale, it would sound like this. And then you could also practice each section really fast, with breaks. And then from there you can go back, once you feel comfortable doing it that way, and try it.